So I'll put the rotaries here for the vacuum. I'm going to be using the skateboard hub motors, and this is going to be used for gyro balancing, stabilization, and more of the sets of these. It's going to be all over. They can articulate for different areas for the gyroscope stabilization on the side, so the kinetic energy stabilize from when self-balancing or weight bearings to self-balance, 5 pounds. The vertebrae process, we have the neck with pad. Right here, I have to put the tilt bracket up on the top of the head. That's the last piece. Right here. For the stool suffocation, I'm also going to apply the urinal section here. I heard it by a servo to move to function is a gripper towards the groin area. This is not the rotary. A beam grinder is to be added to this with a double clearance that just sits with the blade within the center shaft like this inductor fan. And what it does is it grinds up the stool and vacuums it and dispatches it inside of a tank, which is small. We're using light sensors and PIR light sensors. The stool is being exerted, it would automatically flush to vacuum. Now this is the butt part of the unit. See, fans, these blades will be changed. The only temporary setting is the same. Let's have the biaxial ROM in the front. The solenoid holes that connects these parts together to unite the hip along with the abdominal waist chain linkage process of the vertebrae. Some wearable exoskeletonics. I'll probably also be using some rocket materials. Using a spool rocket, the exchange of the conventional rockets, that cylindrils, are type tubing in an environment of coldnesses where the air expands and such extreme heat, dispatching out of different areas. So other than the section of rotary, motors, other hubs alongside within the interface of the housing and the exterior. So add a gyro. The kinetic energy that is being produced through the gyro will enable this device to be fixed editorially in one of his. So I intend to apply that same strategic method and approach within my system. And okay, this is the chest part. Wraps up and down and go in vertical position on the chest. It wraps like that. This is the belt that is to drive the thigh, which is more torque, and that goes along the side.